South Indian style potato vegetable is our today's recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. For that we require peeled and chopped potatoes, boiled potatoes, sliced onions, boiled green peas, dried red chilies, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, curry leaves, cumin seeds, asafoetida, urad dal, salt and oil. So first in a kadai or pan I will take oil. So about 1 tablespoon of oil. To it I will add the mustard seeds. 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them splatter. And then add asafoetida to it. 1 teaspoon. Then add the curry leaves. I am using about 10 to 12 curry leaves. Then add the urad dal. 2 teaspoon of urad dal. Mix it well. And once the urad dal starts becoming a little golden brown in color, we'll add the sliced onion to it. I'm using about half cup of sliced onion. So about 1 medium sized onion. And mix well. Cook on high flame. You'll see the onion has become translucent. Then add the dried red chilies to it. 4 to 5 dried red chilies. Then add some turmeric, about half teaspoon. And then add the boiled green peas. 2 tablespoons. And mix everything well. Mash the green peas a little bit. Not much. We want the nice textures into the vegetable. Then add the boiled, peeled and chopped potatoes. And combine everything well on high flame. Then add some salt as per taste. And mix it well. I'll mash it with the masher. Not much, but a little fine. Perfect. You can see it's a bit chunky as well. Mix it well. And our South Indian style potato vegetable is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.